Good morning students. Welcome to online classes. लास्ट क्लास में अपन स्टडी कर रहे थे कॉमन नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स, जिसमें अपने मैनी कंडीशंस हैं वो की थी. फॉर एग्जांपल नॉर्मल, आइसो, टर्सरी, सेकेंडरी, नियो. इन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स main carbon chain, parent carbon chain, as possible hydrocarbon chain, and this hydrocarbon chain formation of many organic compounds by substitution of hydrogen atom from substitute group and functional group, and formation many organic compounds. For example, haloalkane, alcohol, carboxylic acid, ketone, aldehyde, amine, and these organic compounds in nomenclature and which system? Common system. Today we can start common nomenclature of different organic compound, and first is alkyl halide. In alkyl halide, hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon chain substituted by halogen atom, and we get organic compound haloalkane, and haloalkane in nomenclature, which nomenclature? Common nomenclature, not that alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. This organic compound alkane, and hydrogen atom of alkane removed by halogen, and we get organic compound haloalkane or alkyl halide. For halogen represented by X, and for X fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. तो X एज X 4 हेलोजन यूज आ सकते हैं, फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन एंड आयोडीन. तो एल्किल हैलाइड में जो हाइड्रोजन एटम है उसको रिमूव करेगा या तो फ्लोरीन या क्लोरीन या ब्रोमीन या आयोडीन, एंड फॉर्मेशन होगा डिफरेंट एल्किल हैलाइड्स का. Today we started common nomenclature of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is RX. R means hydrocarbon chain, and hydrocarbon chain show as alkyl in a common nomenclature. R means alkyl, and X represented halogen, and halogen used in halide. Now common name of RH is alkyl halide. First example of alkyl halide is CH3Cl. CH3 as a alkyl methyl and Cl as a halide chloride. Common name of CH3Cl is methyl chloride. Next example, CH3CH2Br. Hydrocarbon chain CH3CH2 as a alkyl called ethyl and halogen. Bromine as a halide bromide. Common name of CH3CH2Br is ethyl bromide. Next example is CH3CH2CH2Cl. CH3CH2CH2 hydrocarbon chain in 3 carbon condition, and this hydrocarbon chain is straight normal for normal condition, small n, 3 carbon prop, and this hydrocarbon chain as a alkyl propyl and Cl as a halide chloride. So common name of this alkyl halide is N-propyl chloride. Next condition, in 3 carbon CH3Cl CH3 CH से अटैच है Cl, इसको ऐसे भी शो कर सकते हैं CH3Cl CH3 CH के साथ Cl. Now this condition is iso in 3 carbon CH3CH CH3. This condition is known as iso in common nomenclature as alkyl. CH3Cl CH3 CH के साथ है bond. This condition is known as iso. So for this condition, iso, number of carbon 3 as alkyl propyl, and for Cl as a halide chloride. So common name of this compound isopropyl chloride. Next example of alkyl halide in 4 carbon condition. इस alkyl halide में नंबर ऑफ कार्बन कितने हैं? 4. हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन प्रेजेंट इन 4 कार्बन. दिस हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन इज straight carbon chain is normal. So for this hydrocarbon chain, normal 4 carbon as a alkyl butyl and 4 Br as a halide bromide. So common name of this compound is N-butyl bromide. is CH3CH Br CH2 CH3. This condition is alkyl halide Br attached with carbon. Which carbon? 2D, because this carbon is directly attached with the 2 carbon. So for this condition 2 degree carbon secondary, 4 carbon 1 2 3 4 as a alkyl butyl and 4 Br as a halide bromide. So common name of this compound is secondary butyl bromide. Third condition, CH3 CH CH3 CH2 Cl. This condition is known as iso CH3 Cl CH3. This condition is iso. And 4 carbon. For this condition iso, number of carbon 4 as a alkyl butyl and 4 Cl chloride. So common name of this alkyl halide is isobutyl chloride. Next, alkyl halide CH3C CH3 CH3 C से अटैच है Br. In this alkyl halide Br attached with a 3 degree carbon, because this carbon is directly attached with other 3 carbon. So this carbon is 3 degree and number of carbon 4. For this condition tertiary, because bromine attached with 3 degree carbon. For this condition tertiary and number of carbon 4 as a alkyl butyl and 4 Br bromide. So common name of this compound is tertiary butyl bromide. Next, CH3 CH2 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 CH2I. In this alkyl halide hydrocarbon chain in 5 carbon, and this hydrocarbon chain is straight, so 4 straight chain normal, and for 5 carbon as a alkyl pentyl and for I as a halide iodide. So common name of this alkyl halide is normal pentyl iodide. Second example, CH in 5 carbon hydrocarbon chain, CH3 CH CH2 CH2 CH3 Br attached with CH. In this alkyl halide Br attached with 2 degree carbon, because this carbon is directly attached with 2 other carbon. So Br attached with 2 degree carbon. For this condition secondary, In hydrocarbon chain, number of carbon 5. For this, pentyl, and 4 we are as a halide bromide. So common name of this alkyl halide is secondary pentyl bromide. Third condition is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. This condition is iso CH3, CH, CH3. Iso for this condition, iso, and number of carbon in hydrocarbon chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this, as a alkyl pentyl and 4Cl chloride. So common name of this organic compound is isopentyl chloride. Last condition in 5 carbon is CH3, 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 CH2. This condition is known as neo-inert. Common nomenclature. Neo condition है. Neo condition is possible minimum 5 carbon hydrocarbon chain. यानी नियो कंडीशन के लिए मिनिमम कितने कार्बन होने चाहिए? 5 कार्बन होने चाहिए. For this condition, neo for 5 carbon hydrocarbon chain as alkyl pentyl and 4Cl chloride. So common name of this compound is neopentyl chloride. In this condition, number of carbon 2 and both carbon double bond and attached with Cl. For this condition, CH2 double bond CH. Use vinyl and 4Cl chloride. So common name of this compound is vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride VC. Vinyl chloride is monomer unit of PVC. PVC is a polymer used in a high quality plastic pipes. So monomer unit of PVC is vinyl chloride. PVC, full form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. So monomer unit of PVC is vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is monomer unit of PVC. Next condition is CH2 double bond CH CH2 Br. Next condition is CH2 double bond Cl CH2. This condition is known as allylic in common nomenclature, allylic for Br bromide. So common name of this compound is allylic bromide. So allylic condition is CH2 double bond CH CH2. This condition is known as allylic. For vinyl condition CH2 double bond CH, and for allylic condition CH2 double bond CH CH2. So common nomenclature of alkyl halide is complete. Now we started common nomenclature for alcohol. Common nomenclature of alcohol. In alcohol, hydrogen atom of alkane substituted by OH group, and we get organic compound alcohol ROH. ROH is alcohol. So in alcohol, OH group attached with the hydrocarbon chain. So ROH is alcohol. For common nomenclature of alcohol, R for R, use alkyl in a common nomenclature. तो R को अपन लिख देंगे एज ए एल्किल, जैसा कि अपन ने अभी किसके लिए लिखा था, एल्किल हैलाइड के लिए। वैसे ही यहाँ पे R के लिए लिख देंगे क्या, एल्किल, एंड फॉर OH लास्ट में एल्कोहल. सो कॉमन नेम ऑफ ऑल अल्कोहल सीरीज इज एल्किल अल्कोहल. Common name of alcohol series alkyl alcohol. इसी बेस पे अपन जितने भी अल्कोहल है उसका कॉमन नेम है वो लेके चलेंगे. अब इसमें देखिए जो हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन है उसके लिए लिखेंगे एल्किल, मैथिल, एथिल, प्रोपिल, आइसोप्रोपिल, ब्यूटिल, इस टाइप से, और लास्ट में OH के लिए लगा देंगे क्या, एल्कोहल. सो कॉमन नेम ऑफ एल्कोहल सेम टू सेम एल्किल हैलाइड, एल्किल हैलाइड एंड एल्कोहल. कॉमन नेम ऑफ बोथ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स आर सेम टू सेम. एल्किल हैलाइड में भी हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन को अपन ने क्या लिखा था, एल्किल, बस वहां पे X के लिए लिख दिया था हैलाइड, यहाँ पे OH के लिए आ जाएगा एल्कोहल. First alcohol is CH3OH. For CH3 as a alkyl, methyl, and for OH alcohol. So common name of this alcohol is methyl alcohol. Next is CH3 CH2 OH. common name of this alcohol is ethyl alcohol. For CH3CH2 ethyl and for OH alcohol. So common name is ethyl alcohol. CH3CH2 CH2 OH. Common name of this alcohol is hydrocarbon chain in this alcohol in 3 carbon, and this hydrocarbon chain is straight 4 straight hydrocarbon chain use normal, and for 3 carbon as a alkyl propyl and 4 OH alcohol. So common name of this alcohol is normal propyl alcohol. Next is CH3OH. इसको ऐसे भी शो कर सकते हैं CH3CHOH CH3. And common name of this alcohol, we know that this condition is known as iso CH3CH3. This condition is iso, and iso condition in 3 carbon. For this isopropyl, for condition iso, and for 3 carbon propyl, isopropyl and 4 OH alcohol. So common name of this alcohol is isopropyl alcohol. Next is CH3CH2CH2CH2OH. This alcohol is a 4 carbon, and in alcohol 4 carbon hydrocarbon chain present in straight condition, 4 straight condition normal, and 4 carbon hydrocarbon chain butyl and 4 OH alcohol. So common name of this alcohol is normal butyl alcohol. CH3CHOH CH2CH3. For this alcohol, OH group attached with the 2D carbon, because this carbon is directly attached with the 2 carbon. OH group attached with the 2 carbon, 2-degree carbon. For this condition, use secondary, and hydrocarbon chain is in 4 carbon. For this, butyl and 4 OH alcohol. So common name of this alcohol is secondary butyl alcohol. Next, CH3CH3CH2OH. In this alcohol, hydrocarbon chain is present in iso condition. For this condition, iso, and number of carbon in hydrocarbon chain is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this, butyl and 4 OH alcohol. So common name of this alcohol is isobutyl alcohol. Next is CH3OH. common name of this alcohol is, in this alcohol OH directly attached with a 3 degree carbon, because this carbon is directly attached with another 3 carbon. So in this alcohol OH attached with a 3 degree carbon. For this condition use tertiary, because OH attached with a 3 degree carbon. For this use tertiary, and number of carbon in hydrocarbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4. For this as a alkyl, butyl, and for OH alcohol. So common name of this alcohol is tertiary butyl alcohol. In this alcohol, hydrocarbon chain is in 5 carbon and state condition. For this, and pentyl for OH alcohol. So common name of this alcohol is N-pentyl alcohol. In this alcohol, OH is directly attached with a 2 degree carbon. For this, use secondary, because OH attached with a 2 degree carbon. So, for this use secondary, and hydrocarbon chain is in 5 carbon. For this, pentyl, and for OH alcohol. So common name of this alcohol is secondary pentyl alcohol. Next, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. In this alcohol, iso condition present, CH3, CH, CH3. This condition is iso. For this, iso, and hydrocarbon chain is a 5 carbon. For 5 carbon, pentyl, and for OH alcohol. So common name of this alcohol is isopentyl alcohol. Next is CH3, C, CH3, CH2, OH. This condition is in a 5 carbon hydrocarbon chain for नियो कंडीशन. देखिए ये कंडीशन कौन सी है? नियो. CH3, CH3, CH3 आगे CH2. For this condition use neo. We know that neo condition is possible in minimum 5 carbon hydrocarbon chain. तो यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ कार्बन कितना है? 5 है. For this neo number of carbon 5 है as a alkyl pentyl and 4 OH alcohol. So common name of this alcohol is neopentyl alcohol. Next is CH2 double bond CH OH. We know that this condition is vinyl. CH2 double bond CH is vinyl and 4OH alcohol. So common name of this alcohol is vinyl alcohol. Next condition is CH2 double bond CH CH2 OH. For this condition CH2 double bond CH CH2. For this condition use allylic. This condition is allylic. And 4OH alcohol. Both condition used for alkyl halide and both condition used for alcohol. CH2 double bond CH vinyl, CH2 double bond CH CH2 is allylic. So this is vinyl alcohol and this is allylic alcohol. So we are completed common name of alkyl halide and common name of alcohol. Today we are complete common name of RX and common name of ROH. This organic compound is alkyl halide and this organic compound is alkyl alcohol. Tomorrow we started common name of ether and ketone. Thank you.